This problem says we have a list of numbers. It doesn't come out and say the word list, but it says we have an arithmetic sequence. And if you haven't seen this phrase before, I want to explain what this means. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers, which are each separated by something called a common difference. In other words, the difference between 12 and 17 is the same as the difference between the next number and 17, and it's the same as the difference to the next number after that. We're going to be adding 5 each time. Okay, that's the common difference. It's plus 5 between the 6th and 7th term, so it's going to be plus 5 for the next one and plus 5 for the next one. That's what makes this arithmetic. Now, there's another type of sequence out there, a popular one called geometric sequence. And, whoops, forgot. This is not a common difference with the geometric sequence. It's a common ratio. But we're not dealing with that one, so I'm just going to focus on arithmetic. How do we use the information about the 6th and the 7th term to figure out something way down the line, like the 52nd term of the sequence? Well, it comes down to this idea of how much is each one of those hops. It's 5. So if each hop is 5, the question is, how many hops am I taking? So I can say the 52nd term is equal to the 7th term plus 5 times the number of hops, or the number of steps we have to take to get from the 7th term to the 52nd term. Now, how many steps is that? Well, here, let me rewrite this. The 52nd term, that's the thing I'm looking for, equals the 7th term, which is 17, plus 5 times, well, if you think about how many jumps it's going to take, if I was looking for the 8th term, that's just one jump away. It'd be 8 minus 7. So I'm looking for 52 minus 7. It's a lot of jumps. That's like 45 jumps. Plug this into your calculator, and you get, let's see, 52 minus 7 times 5. You get something like this, 17 plus 225, which is 242. Now, yes, it's true you can do this without needing a formula. Okay, you could find 242. But the danger in hitting plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, 45 times is that you miscount and you get like 44 plus 5s. So I would prefer that you learn how to logic this one out by saying, here's my common difference, the step size between each term, and then think about how many jumps you're going to take.